लोअर योर हैंड्स। अरिहंत, आदित्य, तुम लोग अपना हैंड लोअर कर सकते हो।
Sir, hand is lowered.
ओके फाइन। सो यहाँ पे हमने कल लास्ट क्लास में वी हैड सीन that we need to, that there are two aspects that are important before we start programming. That is how to provide our input to the computer and how to get output from the computer using the programming language Python. Okay, for that purpose we are starting with how to get your output displayed on the computer screen through the Python programming. For that we use print, and print, as we know, is a function. How do we know it is a function? Because immediately after print, without space, you will see round or simple bracket opening and closing, right, which are technically known as parenthesis. Okay, then Python, okay, parenthesis, correct. So that is why they are known as this, you say function. Now in print, when you reach the Python prompt, and also yes, Python is case sensitive, so make sure that you do not write capital P or P in uppercase. Print's P will be in lowercase. So Python is case sensitive, so that you should be careful about. So print can be used to display output on the screen, and it can display three types of outputs. One is messages, which are technically known as strings, and they are English-like sentences or alphanumeric values. That means they may contain codes within, mixture of alphabets, letters from English alphabet rather, and your numbers as well, numeric values as well. But one thing to note about this is that in strings it should be enclosed either within single or double quotes. Second type of values that can be displayed using print on the screen is numeric values, and third type is result of the expression. So we started our discussion with the first type of output that you can get, that is string values, or what you say is English like words or sentences. So उसके examples में हमने देखा कि you use print and then you can write within single quotes good morning, within double quotes good morning, both are equally acceptable. So it doesn't make any difference whatsoever for most of the cases. It will be same, and computer won't apply its brain, or Python won't apply its brain as to whether it makes sense or not. It will simply take it as a sentence and it will throw it on the screen and display it on the screen. ठीक है, यहाँ तक clear है?
Yes,
sir. Recalling in another 2-3 minutes, so that each one of us have a revision also, brief revision also. Now print has also got another functionality, that is inside print parenthesis of print. If you are printing one message, it's not limited to one. You can print more than one message or more than one string using single print by separating it using comma. Okay, so first string can be there, then comma can be there, then second string can be there. Likewise, you can have another comma and then third string can be there, which can be enclosed within single or double quotes, up to you. For example, in this one, print hello there, where are you? We have seen that double quotes is there, single quotes is there, then again double quotes is there for the third string. Each of them are separated by comma. And one thing we also saw was that when printing, the comma, wherever comma appears, that is at the end of each string, Python by default inserts what? A blank space as a default separator. ठीक है, तो लास्ट वाले को एक बार हम लोग फिर से कर लेते हैं. You can start ideally also, that is same. So जैसे हमने देखा था print hello there, you can have double quotes as well. How are you? And then let us meet. Okay, you can see that after the end of each string, that is first string is which one? This. Okay, so after E of the first string, that is the last character of the first string, you will see comma was there to separate it from the second string. That comma was wherever the comma occurred, that is at the separation of the first and the second string, it inserted one blank space. Then after the question mark, that is after the end of the second string, that is question mark, and before the third string, you will see again one blank space appearing on its own. So that is how default it behaves, and you can have any number of arguments practically. Okay, depending on the RAM or the capacity of your computer to store. We'll come to that thing later. You can, for now, you can have any number of strings separated by comma, and that will keep on building, separating by space, 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 like that. Clear?
Sir.
Hmm.
Sir, this cannot be saved, no, sir?
We'll come to that later.
Okay.
Okay. Step by step, you'll gradually move. Don't worry. सारा कुछ सीखोगे. Everything you will learn. Okay. See, it's a matter of confidence. I don't know whether you are aware or not. The first batch जो Python का था, that means those who appeared for boards this time, they could not appear actually because वो exam ही नहीं हुआ. But you might have known कि first day, थोड़ा सा बताना चाहूँगा. When they came the first day, I don't know whether you know them or not. Ayush and Vignesh, Abhinivesh, the batch was there.
Sir. Yes, sir.
So, very first class, they were very apprehensive. Apprehensive in the sense कि थोड़ा डरे हुए थे कि सर नया लैंग्वेज है, कंप्यूटर साइंस आज तक पढ़ा नहीं है, will it work out? तो मैं बस यही बोलना चाहूँगा, after 4 months, they were super confident. मतलब अभी भी उन लोग से बात करोगे, you can get in touch with them as well. कि how it works out. उन लोग से भी बात किया करो, सीनियर से भी बात किया करो कि क्या है, how do you feel after studying it. So they were confident, and वो confidence level build होने के बाद, this day if you go, I'll say कि yeah, they are almost equally capable as me. ठीक है, तो उस स्टेज पे तुम लोग भी पहुंच जाओगे, टेंशन मत लो. Will gradually move ahead. ये सब है. You have something.
Let Abhay ask sir first.
Abhay, yes.
No, sir, my hand is down.
Okay, नहीं अभी तो up था, चलो ठीक है.
Sir, sir, out of topic, the question is, how much did Ayush get, sir, in 12th?
अच्छा 12th में I think 94.8%.
अच्छा.
Okay. लास्ट एग्जाम हुआ नहीं था, मतलब मैं pretty sure था कि वो लोग को 100 आ जाता कंप्यूटर्स में. Average was taken, so they could not get there. Anyways, सब लोग को ऑलमोस्ट एक ही जैसा मार्क्स है, तो ज्यादा 2-4 मार्क्स के डिफरेंस पे सारे लोग हैं. सो डोंट वरी, तुम लोग भी वैसा पहुंच जाओगे उस स्टेज पे. इवन विघ्नेश डिड वेल, उसका भी कंसेप्ट बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है.
So how much Vignesh got, sir?
अरे मतलब सब 1% ऊपर नीचे में है. आई थिंक 93 पॉइंट समथिंग है, मतलब 4-5 मार्क्स का डिफरेंस है टोटल में. ठीक है, चलो तुम लोग पढ़ो. योर एम शुड बी 98-99% एम होना चाहिए, आ जाएगा, टेंशन नहीं है. नॉट ओनली इन कंप्यूटर्स में तो 100 चाहिए, अदर सब्जेक्ट्स में मतलब सारे में कोशिश करो 199 का. ओके, can we try without comma? It won't work.
I did, sir, already.
Desired result नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, that means it will take whatever you have not given by separating by comma as one single string. पहले दोनों को merge कर देगा. This will be taken as a single message. So that is why you will see after question mark space is not appearing. Okay, if you do not put comma, it will take it as one single string. Okay.
Sir, after inverted commas, if we put how much ever space, it will remain, it will merge it.
Yeah. What you mean like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also printing comma, कहाँ print हो रहा है उल्लास?
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, you are not
ब्रैकेट है उसके बाद अगर हम सेमीकोलन लगाएंगे तो कोई इफेक्ट तो नहीं पड़ेगा ना?
ब्रैकेट के बाद सेमीकोलन लगाएंगे तो ये हम नहीं, इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. It is compulsory in other programming languages, but not in Python.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like अगर if you are familiar with C या C++ देखोगे, Java देखोगे, उसमें semicolon is must. How do you print comma? How do I print comma? अच्छा, comma नहीं, that is a single quotes you mean to say. I will come to that. उल्लास रुको, I know कि तुम उस जगह पे पहुंच रहे हो. I'll get there. ठीक है, I'll take it up very soon. Our next 10 minutes में ही लेंगे. Okay. So is it clear कि comma से separated and as many arguments if you give वो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. You can even try one more this Saturday. ठीक है. So is it clear? इतना तक क्लियर है सबको तो बताओ, then I'll proceed ahead.
Yes,
Pooja,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So I guess all of you are here. Correct. Pooja and others, please बताते रहना, ठीक है? देखो, हाँ, one more thing I like to say. देखो क्या है ना, मैं पढ़ाते थोड़ा बाहर का भी ज्ञान दे देता हूँ, आदत है मेरे. तो you should be very vocal when it comes to discussion. ठीक है, इससे क्या होगा कि you will be groomed from this day onwards. नहीं तो जब इंटरव्यूज में बैठोगे, जी ग्रुप डिस्कशंस में बैठोगे, ट्रस्ट में you will get numb हो जाओगे, एकदम कुछ नहीं बोल पाओगे. ठीक है, तो इस फियर को हटाओ कि किससे बात करना है, कैसे बात करना है. whatever is there in your mind you can always ask. कुछ और भी पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हो, उसमें कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. we can discuss on that also. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए मैं बार बार बोलता रहता हूँ कि रिस्पॉन्ड. इट्स नॉट दैट कि आई वांट यू टू रिस्पॉन्ड, इट्स दैट आई वांट यू टू बी गुड व्हेन इट कम्स टू सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. नाउ वी विल सी वन न्यू थिंग कि व्हाई डू वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ कोड्स. रादर 3 होता है, लेकिन जैसा हमने देखा था कि थर्ड वन वी विल सी एट अ लेटर पॉइंट. सो एंड दिस इन वे विल आंसर उल्लास द क्वेश्चन दैट उल्लास आस्क्ड. So let's see this. यहाँ पे question is why Python provides or uses two types of codes. Codes for strings or messages. देखो, whenever you are writing your answers, you will always use strings and not messages. मैं बार बार लिख रहा हूँ. For some days I will be writing so that it settles down well in your mind that strings are nothing but messages sort of things. ठीक है, but in your answers you should write strings. तो इसका क्यों ऐसा है? Because we have already seen, ठीक है, both works. ठीक है, this is also correct. Let's say Python prompt पे तुम लिखते हो print hi single quotes. This also works and this also works. ठीक है, but जब एक काम करता है तो why did they take pain to come up with two things? ठीक है, ये दो क्यों बनाया? एक ही से काम चल रहा था. Either they could have gone with single quotes or double quotes. What is the need of two types of quotes? Let us see. Okay, got the answer. Okay, great. ठीक है, देखो क्या होगा. Let's say अगर तुम्हें आउटपुट पे प्रिंट करना है, okay, अगर तुम्हें let's say you want your output on the screen like I don't like movies. In my context this is an utter lie, मैं तो बहुत देखता हूँ. But let's say if you have to print this, तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Let's say if you choose single quotes to print this, what will happen? So considering this is the message you want to display, so what you will do on your Python prompt, if you go for single quotes, you will write print I don't like movies, quotes close. Now see what will happen. Do you think anything odd here?
Sir,
Do you
only
see?
I dawn will come.
Sir, don't
sir.
have one more code, single code.
Yeah. So इसमें होगा क्या ना? Python का जो सॉफ्टवेयर है that will get confused. Why?
Sir, it is invalid syntax.
Invalid syntax, correct. Why? इसका रीजन है why invalid? Why error? Error क्यों आएगा? Invalid syntax.
Because it will take I dawn as a single sentence and then.
करेक्ट. तो देखो इसमें क्या होगा, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ कोट्स, पहले वो देखो. द पर्पस ऑफ कोट्स इज जहां भी कोट स्टार्ट होता है इट कंसिडर्स इट एज द स्टार्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग एंड वेयर एवर कोट एंड्स another quote is found, it considers it at the end of the string. So here it will think string started, it will go and start print, consider ki, okay, this is the starting of the string I space D O N, and then it will come across another quote. So it will think that this part is my string or the message that you intend. But then it will get confused. What is this T which has got no opening quote? Okay, and then you have an unmatched quote. For this there was no opening quote and all of a sudden there is a one single quote. So इस part में वो confuse कर जाएगा starting from T कि what to do with this. This is neither a string, not that means it is not a message because all message should start with a quote. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे तो start हुआ था but यहाँ end हो गया. It will consider it like that way. ठीक है, so it will get confused here और यहाँ पे वो बोल देगा मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, invalid syntax. ठीक है, invalid syntax. Syntax means the way you write, the way it should be written, just like grammar. ठीक है, means you can take grammar of computer, grammar of Python. Roughly समझाने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. Invalid grammar. ठीक है, तो it will complain. Let us see this. ये concept समझ में आया superficially, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, आते हैं वापस इस पर. Now we will execute it. Print movies. Invalid syntax. And syntax, as I said, means grammar is invalid. I did not understand. Computer is complaining. That is, Python is complaining. Kisi, I do not understand what grammar you have written. Check your grammar. I cannot make any meaning out of it. So I'm sorry, I cannot proceed any further. So sort of grammatical error it has figured out or posted to you. That is, it is complaining. It is not the way you should write. ठीक है? So how we can overcome it? How we can overcome it?
Double
Sir, we
quotes.
can use the
Double quotes.
डबल कोट्स.
Other quotes.
इसीलिए डबल कोट्स का ऑप्शन है कि जहां भी तुम्हें सिंगल कोट को प्रिंट करना हो एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग और अ मैसेज, यू कैन यूज डबल कोट्स. सो करेक्ट वे इज, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट, करेक्ट वे. Okay, so you can use print I don't like movies. Now your computer will understand, Python will understand, okay, this message has started with double quotes, so it should end with a double quote. So whatever it will be getting, it will print it as it is. Yeah, correct, Ullas. Don't break the rules. Correct. ठीक है. तो good. So this is how it works. So you can again go and test it out.
Sir, we cannot use triple quotes, sir.
We'll come to it later. भूल जाओगे ट्रिपल कोट को.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, what if I don't type print, sir? Then what will happen?
What will happen?
Yeah, if I don't type.
अभी उस पे नहीं आएंगे. देखो देखो, you will be having
Okay, sir,
plethora of questions. बहुत सारे questions आएंगे तुम्हारे दिमाग में, bombard हो जाएगा. Okay, your all the questions will be answered. Just give me initial few classes. ठीक है, 5-10 classes wait करते हैं. You will understand what will happen if you do not write. That means what you intend to ask is, can strings exist independently? Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, we will come to that. Yes, they can.
It is showing error.
नहीं, error नहीं दिखाएगा.
Name error like.
सर मेरे में तो आ गया पूरा सेंटेंस.
It will
Sir,
become
it is showing in single quotes.
Okay, so just have patience. उसका मतलब क्या है? Don't try to explore. I'm just trying to prove here that yes, strings can exist independently. But वो कैसे होगा? How it will happen? When it will happen? And when should we use that? We will come to it later. So what I will say is, इसको अभी ignore कर दो. Forget about it. Just come along with me. मेरे साथ move करो. वो समय के साथ clear कर देंगे हम लोग. ठीक है? So forget this कि मैंने क्या लिखा है. वो with time we will see. Right. So that is clear. कि अच्छा, now can there be a case? Can there be a case where we will compulsorily have to use double quotes?
Yes.
Next question is, can you suggest me a case? Me a case where we will compulsorily,
Sir, when a person says something.
correct, direct, indirect speech, quotations, RILY, spelling देख लेना, compulsorily have to use double quotes. Okay, double quotes मतलब this. Okay, so for example, अगर तुम ये ऐसा प्रिंट करना चाहते हो as it is, he said, ये डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच होता है ना, एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस. I am very happy today. Now you have to print this double quote also as a part of the output. Okay, so in that case what you can write? Can we use double
Sir, we
quotes
can
for
use
this?
single quotes to print the string.
You can
Yeah.
use single quote first, sir.
Correct. अगर डबल कोट करते हैं तो क्या दिक्कत हो जाएगा? Let's say I start with double quote. He said, comma, again double quotes.
Sir, then it will end there.
End there. It will think that it has ended here, and then further, I am very happy, whatever, and then double quotes closing.
Syntax error.
It will say, okay, fine, this I have understood that this is one string, but what is this? I starting without quotes and all, so it will get confused here. So error. Correct?
Sir, can't we use one more double quotes over there?
Wait, just I'm receiving one call. I'll get back to you. So yes, sorry. Yeah, Ullas is correct. वैसे ही करेंगे हम लोग. So, what you were saying? Somebody was saying something.
Sir, I was saying, can't we use one more double quotes over there?
You can try and let me know. पर पहले we will see the correct usage. उसके बाद we will come to experimentation. ठीक है. देखो पहले जब कार खरीदते हो, let's say you are you buy a car, then you start learning how to drive. Okay. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है पहले ही दिन कार या बाइक निकाले और वो व्हीली करने लगे, ड्रिफ्ट मारने लगे, पहला ही दिन नहीं ना होता है. तो पहले करेक्ट यूजेस सीखेंगे फिर एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे. ओके. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. सो करेक्ट यूजेस क्या हो जाएगा इसका? व्हाट विल बी करेक्ट?
Print single quote, then the message.
Print
Bracket single quote.
single quotes we should get, not double quotes. He said, double quotes, I am, whatever is your statement, close this
Double quotes and then single quote.
single quotes close. ठीक है, याद रखना. This double quote is for ये वाला मैसेज, ये जो स्टार्ट हुआ है ना, जो which you want to print, उसका double quotes close हुआ है. ठीक है. And then single quote is for the entire string. So I'll mark it in different colors. This is for this, and this double quotes is that you want to print. वो मैचिंग है प्रिंट वाले का. ठीक है. And this entire thing is your string. Okay, let's see.
Sir, but here we have to print comma, no?
I have given comma. Don't see, that is what I am saying. This is not the separator of a string, because a string is still continuing. You have not got the matching closing string code, blue one. So that comma will also be printed. If you would have closed this here, first string, तब वो second को ले लेता. तब this would have become the second string. Okay.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Because you don't have a matching closing right now, it has not found, so it will ignore it as a separator. वो उसे print करते चल जाएगा as any other character. Okay. How we can print I don't like ice cream? Though I don't want to print that, I do. But चलो तुम बोल दिए हो तो पहले ये देखते हैं, उसके बाद तुम्हारा वाला प्रिंट कर देंगे. Print. He said, I am very happy today. And then close. So remember, I'll repeat again, this is only one single string. ये ही से शुरू हो रहा है और यहाँ पे end हो रहा है. This is one single string because the entire white portion you can see is enclosed within two quotes, single quotes. So जहां पे single open हुआ, the moment it found single quotes again, everything within it, it will take it like just as it is, as whatever you have written. It would not apply any brain. No. Outer single quote is just to suggest that we have one string inside it. And Bharat, I am replying you. And inner single quote, a double quote will be printed. Check it out. ये Bharat, let me know. ये clear हुआ? See, the outermost quote which is containing the string won't be printed. मैं लिख देता हूँ.
आ गया सर.
Okay, but still I'll write ताकि बाद में you can revise. Note, the quotes containing the string won't be printed. However, today's class is till 2 o'clock. Why? Got tired. However, if we have क्या हुआ? Nilam, why do you want to access my computer?
नहीं सर वो
Okay.
गलती से दब गया सर.
It's okay. It's okay. If we have quote as a part of the string, वो string का ही अगर part है, string, then it will be printed. Yes, Bharat, let me know if your doubt is clear. नहीं तो फिर देखेंगे. Don't worry, I can repeat it hundreds of times.
Sir, what is the quotes containing the string won't be printed?
Huh? Quotes
quotes-
see, quotes which are part of the string. So here the double quotes is part of the single string. So that will be printed. But this quote, the outermost single quote or outermost double quote, which contains the string, which defines the boundaries of the string, won't be printed. That is what I mean to say.
Okay.
Understood? Yes.
Yes.
Everyone just reflect on this for 15 seconds. उसके बाद मुझे बताइए. Ruchika, Pooja and others.
Sir, could you show the question that Bharat asked in command prompt? Could you just show that, sir?
He wants to print I don't like ice cream with double quotes.
Yes, sir. So how do you show that, sir?
How will I do that? Okay, see, print. Double quotes print करना है, तो to avoid conflict we will be using out for signifying the string single quotes. So we'll use I. Okay. I got. I ignored that. I don't like me. Don't single quote. He means. We will keep this question waiting for some time. ठीक है? I did not see कि वो उसने दोनों तरह का quote रख दिया है. I thought कि outer quote he is taking as string delimiters. That means boundaries.
Sir, it is executed.
Huh?
It is executed.
No. You see.
Ankit, you might have not written print or something.
See, what he is saying is, let's say अगर single quote रखते हैं, so I, and then you prompt to print double quotes also.
No, sir, he started with double quote.
No, he wants to print double quote also on the screen. अगर वो start करेगा, if that double quote is the boundary of the string, that is okay. But he wants to display that double quotes also and single quote also.
Sir, I tried doing it. I got it.
You got it?
Yes,
Let
sir.
us. I don't like game. Let us check. हो सकता है.
Sir, I didn't put single quotes, sir. I put
So then double quotes won't be printed, na? He also wants to print the starting
no,
double
sir.
quotes.
I put three
Ullas put
quotes.
triple quote, sir.
Triple quotes. Sir.
ट्रिपल कोट से काम कर जाएगा. डोंट वरी. पर अभी ट्रिपल कोट्स में नहीं जाएंगे हम लोग. ठीक है? बट विदाउट ट्रिपल कोट्स ऑल्सो यू कैन प्रिंट दैट. तो वो मैं बताऊंगा. सो लेट्स कीप दिस क्वेश्चन वेटिंग. डोंट विल नॉट टेक द ट्रिपल कोट एज द आंसर फॉर नाउ, दो इट इज अ पॉसिबल वे. ठीक है? ट्रिपल कोट भूल जाओगे. सो अभी जो भरत का क्वेश्चन है उस पर वी विल कम टू दैट थिंग लेटर. ये समझ में आया कि why we have two types of quotes? Everyone, मुझे बताइए, फिर मैं आगे बढ़ता हूँ. Then I'll proceed further.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Now, अब इतना समझ गए हैं तो आई विल टेल यू समथिंग मोर. What is the default separator when you have more than one string to in the single print?
Comma.
Comma.
Comma. The default comma तो separate करने के लिए होता है, but in output what is the default? Blank space.
Space.
Yeah, one single blank space.
Right.
Okay. Changing the default separator. Okay. Default separator क्या है? Which is single blank space. Okay. So अगर हम लोग ये करते हैं, let's say if we do this, give me a minute, I'm receiving a call again. Guys, give me 1 minute, I'll come. I have got one post to receive. It's urgent. I'll be back. 1 minute दो मुझे.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sorry. We'll start.
Sir, I tried to print using single and double quotes. I got the answer.
Single and
Double quotes.
you would have used multiple.
I got it too, sir.
ठीक है, वो सब पे हम समझ गए. You can experiment and there are workarounds, but we will learn the proper way. There is a topic known as escape sequences, which we will take not maybe today, next class. उसमें clear हो जाएगा. So अगर let's say if you have this, what will be the output of this? Yeah.
Hello there, space. How are you? Space, that is me.
You will get hello there, exclamation mark, space, how are you? So it will be like, output will be hello there, exclamation mark, space, which will be inserted as default separator. So you will have then how are you, okay, question mark, then default space separator which is provided by Python, because wherever there is a separation of two strings, it will automatically just go. What happened? अरे क्या हो गया? Let us meet. ठीक है? So this will be your output, and where at which all places Python on its own inserted space. यहाँ पे wherever you are having separation of strings. Now let's say जहां जहां येलो से मार्क किया है वहां पे उसने स्पेस इंसर्ट कर दिया. But what if I want to change this default separator? मैं चाहता हूं कि स्पेस नहीं आए, at the rate आए. Okay. If I wish to print at the rate instead of space, what we can do? Okay. So next is changing default separator, that is blank space, to, let's say, at the rate. That means I want कि मैं ऐसे लिखूं, I write the same thing, but instead जहां जहां yellow पे space आया है, wherever I have marked as yellow, that yellow marking won't be shown, just to suggest that at that place separator was inserted. वहां पे at the rate आ जाए. What can be done? उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? This is the last topic for today. Print, of course ये space नहीं होगा. Print hello there, how are you? Let us meet. And after that, you will write in straight line here only. You will write what if you want at the rate in between each of the strings to be inserted. You will write SEP is equals to at the rate and then close the bracket. At the rate will be contained within single quotes, that is at the rate as a string. Okay. Let us check. First we will write normally.
So can it be in double quotes?
Also, yeah, no problem with double quotes. You can use either single quote or double quote. That means whatever string value you give as SEP, that will be as separator. तो let's say पहले हम लोग normal case देख लेते हैं. Okay. मान लो ये किया था तो ऐसे मिला हमें. We are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 strings which are separated by 2, 3 spaces. Okay, default joke separator tha. In the same thing, if I write comma SEP is equals to within single or double quotes at the rate. Can you see the difference? जहां जहां space by default separator डाला था, all those places you got at the rate. Can you observe here,
Yes.
here? Okay. It's not that only at the rate will work. You can have
So everything which we have to do, we should put it inside the bracket.
Yeah, inside this parenthesis, print parenthesis.
Inside the parenthesis, okay.
Yeah, correct. So it's not that only at the rate you can print. You can print anything. Whatever string you will give, it will be coming as separator. Check this out. So whatever will be inside the value of sep, जो string होगा, exactly as it is, it will come. Okay, let's say if I write at the rate
instead of symbols.
Huh?
Can we use a letter instead of symbols? Okay.
I said alphanumeric. Do you remember strings are alphanumeric?
Yeah.
You can have any
yes.
combination. Okay, let's say Piyush 123 @#. Can you see it? Now that entire string is coming as separator. Here, here, and here. But remember, the separator doesn't appear after the last string. Separator doesn't occur after the last string. Clear hai ye? If it is clear, we'll stop right here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ruchika,
Yes, sir.
yeah, clear hai? Vijay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, just 1 minute. So, and I'll create a separate YouTube channel में भी मैं बना के डाल दूंगा तुम लोगों को, जिसको भी दिक्कत है दे सकते हो, किसी को भी देखने तो फ्रेंड को भी you can share, no problem with that. So I'll write a note here. Separator won't appear after last string in print. After last string. Huh?
This is a rule.
You can take it as a rule. Won't appear after last string present in the parenthesis of print. Print function. ठीक है? बस एक नजर देख लो so that you can be clear with that. So you can see this Saturday, this is the last string. ठीक है? Sept के पहले, before sept, this is the last string. So is this @Piyush 123 star जो separator की तरह तुमने mark किया है, is it coming after Saturday? No. Sir, we can put a space between the quotes of separator. Yeah, of course. चलो वो भी देख लेते हैं. Bharat, for you. देख लो space @ आ रहा है. यहाँ पे किया था तो only @ was coming. Okay. Here the same thing is space @ is coming. Okay. ठीक है? So by default, this separator is, yeah, just a minute, let me complete.
Okay, sir.
By default, this separator is set to one single blank space. If you do not provide the value of separator, by default in print, the separator value is set to blank space. चाहे ये लिखो या ना लिखो. Is there any difference? No. ठीक है? So I'll write one final thing here. Also, by
Sir,
default,
between when we write separator, sir, the commas which we give, if we don't give any space between them, then
just let me complete this. उसके बाद मैं बता दूंगा. By default, the sep value, sep is equals to single blank space. Okay. In order to suggest that I am writing blank space, what I will do is I will write B and cut it. That means blank space है ये. इसको कोई symbol और value मत समझना. Just to signify that this is blank space. This stands for blank space. Yes, tell me. Whatever we have to cover, we have done. I won't take anything else.
Sir, is it possible that in like you type sep and anything you put in that will come in between, like in any letter, in between any words? Like if you write hello, can it come in between H and then E and L? Can it be like
Okay, let's not rush thing. ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, you note it down, we'll start answering from your question only. ठीक है, आज पहले इतना देखो। सी आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, मैं तो रात भर बैठ जाऊंगा, मे बी तुम लोगों का थोड़ा टाइम एक्सटेंड हो जाएगा। ओके, सो लेट्स टेक इट ग्रेजुअली, जैसे होगा। अगेन वी विल स्टार्ट विद द डिस्कशन ऑफ द सेम थिंग टुमारो। ठीक है, सो टेक ब्रिंग दिस अप क्वेश्चन, विल टेक दिस क्वेश्चन द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग नेक्स्ट क्लास। या थैंक यू आयुष, I almost forgot. Okay. So okay, done. We'll take the two things. One more, I think Ilham was asking something. So both of you, next class tomorrow, the very first thing we'll be answering that question.